Hello everyone, and welcome back to MachineStation. Today we have a Haas SL-40TLB. This machine comes with a 15-inch 3-jaw hydraulic chuck, a max swing of 40 inches, an 80-inch max cutting length, the long bed option, a 4.72-inch spindle bore, 2,500 RPM spindle, 30 horsepower, 2-speed gearbox spindle, a 10-station turret, programmable tailstock, tool presetter, chip auger, spindle orientation and rigid tapping, floppy drive and RS-232 port and 1 megabyte memory, steady rest provisions, high pressure coolant at 300 PSI, high intensity lighting, visual quick code programming. The list goes on as usual. I'm going to list more specs in the description below so we can take a look at the machine. Well, there you guys have it, our Haas SL-40TLB. If you have any more questions about the machine at all, go ahead and call us at 909-919-9600, or you can jump over to our website. It's www.machinestation.us. Like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you next time.